How to get Spotify Premium for free. Open your Spotify app or website on your phone or desktop. Tap Explore Premium to view the available plans. Use the official free trial first. When trial ends, go to tempmail.org or any temporary email generator. Copy the temp email and sign up for a new Spotify account using that email. When Spotify sends a one-time PIN, check your temp mail inbox and enter it. Repeat this process every time your trial ends to keep getting premium for free. For alternative methods, search online for Spotify Premium APK. Caution: many links are unsafe. Use a link checker. You can also join a Spotify family plan with others to split the cost, up to 6 users per plan. You can also use a Spotify music downloader or transfer tool to save a songs offline via other platforms. Take note, some methods may violate Spotify's terms of service or pose security risk. Always proceed with caution and consider legal alternatives.